In today's video, we'll be looking at our network settings in macOS. So to begin, click the Apple logo in the top left and go down to System Preferences. Then from here, click on Network. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is connected to my current Wi-Fi spot. It will display your IP here, which I've blurred out for my own privacy. And you can also decide whether you want to automatically join networks or not. So maybe if you've got a cafe you go to, or if it's just your home Wi-Fi, you're going to want your laptop to automatically connect to that if it is a laptop. And then you can also change whether you want to be asked to join personal hotspots. So if you've got an iPhone or an Android device or anything that can set up a hotspot, it'll ask to join it here if you have this ticked. And in the advanced section, you can see all of your ports, set your port forwarding, check your DNS servers, and all of that stuff you might need. Although it is very advanced, so I'd make sure you've got a firm knowledge before you go into it. Also in our network settings, we can go to our Bluetooth. As you can see, I've got no devices connected, but we can set them up from here if we need to. And previously, I've connected an Apple Ethernet converter, so information about that will be displayed here. Or if you do just have a wide connection on your device, you'll get that information here too. And a Thunderbolt bridge for sharing data across Apple systems and also connecting to the internet. You'll also get similar settings for that here. And you can change your location from being automatic to editing locations if you've got a VPN installed. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.